Sweetie, I can't believe this might be Avi's last year taking an Easter picture.
I know, she's all grown up.
I mean, it feels like just yesterday that, she was our little girl.
Oh my gosh, she's going away to college.
I mean, it feels like just yesterday we were just playing with her in the backyard.
Going away to college.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, you look so good,
God,
honey.
you look beautiful.
You look beautiful.
Can I go to the mall? I don't want to be here.
Oh, nonsense, honey. Come on. This is maybe your last time taking the pictures.
Dad,
Look,
please.
you got 2 weeks left before you go to college, okay?
I'm way too old for this.
Just
No,
No, nonsense. Now, come on. The bunny will be here very soon.
You guys seriously made Uncle Mitch dress as the bunny again?
Of course, this may be the last year, so I want you two to sit there. I'm gonna fix the camera to do a selfie on us. And ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, big smile. Perfect. Let me check that.
Let me see.
Okay, I think this one's pretty good for a first one,
Oh, wow.
right?
Yeah, that
Especially the ears, they look really good.
doesn't it look so adorable?
Why don't we try another one? Maybe I'll sit between the two of you.
Great.
All right. 5 seconds again.
Honey, make sure your dress
5,
okay.
4, 3, big smile. 2, cheese. Okay. Let me check that one.
I wasn't ready. I hope I wasn't blinking.
No, I think you look really good.
Oh, darling, look. This is ridiculous. Honey, it's fun. Here you go.
I can't believe you're going away to school. Hey, the bunny's here. Come on in.
Hi.
Come on in, Uncle Bunny. How you doing? Nice to see you.
Oh, nice to see you.
We were just taking a few starter pictures here.
Yeah, Uncle Mitch.
Your outfit's incredible.
Yeah, it looks great.
All right, let's do some pictures then and get this thing started, all right? Sure. How about the two of you sit right there?
I want to be next to you. I want to be in the middle. Okay.
And then I'll do the usual timer and I'll sit next to one of you.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Great.
Let me check this.
So, did you bring that same dish you brought last year for the barbecue later?
Oh, carrot cake and everything.
Great.
I think we have to redo that one, sweetie.
I'm sorry. It's perfect.
Right? Good lighting? Everybody looks good?
Yes.
Okay, let's change it up this time, everybody. How about Uncle Bunny right here? Honey, you right there. Sweetie?
Let's not forget the Easter basket. I got it.
Okay, you right there?
Right here?
Yeah. And I'm gonna get right down there.